Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Some artists has requested that I have a workshop on painting a sumi landscape that is good for a accordion book or hand stroke, meaning that is on a landscape orientation, horizontal, and is very, very long. So after some consideration, I have created a hand stroke that is relatively not as long, but then it will be 1 to 4. So the length of it is 4 times longer than the height. So it's a still relatively pretty long compositions. And in this workshop, we will also talk about the why of the hand stroke and also things about the journey and also whether, can you start in the middle? Do you start from the left or you start from the right? And also when you are actually looking at a hand stroke or looking at an accordion book, do you start from the left or start from the right or start from the middle? So let's look at the sample that we will be working on, and we will be painting this together in this workshop. Okay, I have selected as I say, relatively shorter hand stroke, which is only 1 to 4. The dimension of this is around 13 inches and the length is 52. So if you are joining this workshop, you can cut a piece of paper in the similar size or in a similar proportion of 1 to 4, 13 and 52, or any proportion that you like. But then we are going to start from right to left on this one. And then you see that in the very beginning, we have a house, we have some vegetation, trees, and then progressing on, we will also draw a scholar and his page, and then he's overlooking a rapids with a stream or river, and then there are distant forests, and then continue on. We go to the nothingness. And then in here, a classic painting would have calligraphy or a poem, and then inscription and signature. So that is the landscape we'll be working on. So if you are interested to paint something uh, like this with me, so I would like you will join me in this workshop. And if you do, prepare a piece of paper that's 1 to 4, 13 by 52. I hope to see you in this workshop painting this marvelous hand show together. Thank you.